And now, News 15 Storm Team meteorologist Grace Lim.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us on this Tuesday. We'll start off with your weather headlines. We are in for a hot afternoon. Heat index values climbing into the upper 90s by this afternoon, but we have relief on the way. A cold front will push through tonight into tomorrow morning. That'll bring us fall-like conditions tomorrow through the weekend, and we continue to track the tropics, so we'll start off with that. Irma, now a powerful Category 5 hurricane, making it the strongest storm of this Atlantic season, currently with max sustained winds of 175 miles per hour, gusts of 213 miles per hour, and expecting to continue to move west at 14 miles per hour. As it does, it will approach the U.S. and British Virgin Islands, still hanging on to that Category 5 status, and then head just north of the Dominican Republic and Haiti as we get into Thursday, and head towards Cuba and also the Bahamas as we get towards the end of the work week and into the weekend, where it is expected to weaken into a Category 4 hurricane. So we do have hurricane warnings now in effect for the U.S. and British Virgin Islands, and also hurricane warning in effect for Puerto Rico. This is the very strong ridge of high pressure that is steering Irma in a westerly path, and as it heads towards the Bahamas by Friday and Saturday, beyond that, a lot of uncertainty about where Irma is going to go. This dip in the jet stream, that's what's going to bring us fall-like conditions this week. That will determine where Irma will go, the strength of it, and also the progressiveness of it. The best case scenario is that it is strong and it picks up Irma and takes it out into the Atlantic and not affect the United States. However, we can't rule out other paths where it could head towards Florida or even the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll keep an eye on that. Elsewhere in the tropics, behind Irma, we do have another disturbance that has a 90% chance for development within the next 5 days. The next name on the list is Jose. Also in the Gulf of Mexico, we still have an area of disturbed weather that now has a 60% chance for development in the next 5 days. Regardless of development, it will likely bring heavy rainfall into parts of eastern Mexico. Back here at home, business as usual, off to a quiet start, seeing some passing clouds and also some spotty showers over the coastal areas. Visibility right now, seeing some light patchy fog in Abbeville down to 3 miles. So if you're in that area, head that way, keep that in mind. If you're heading west towards Jennings and Lake Charles, visibility in good shape. Head towards the capital city, we're seeing some light patchy fog, but at 5 miles shouldn't be a problem on the roads along the coastline of Morgan City and Houma. The roads look good. Temperatures right now sitting in the low to mid 70s, 70 in Opelousas, 75 in Lafayette, 72 in Abbeville, 73 in New Iberia. Dew points also sitting in the low to mid 70s, so Muggy Meter says it is still sticky outside and we're for a humid afternoon. Again, you factor in that humidity and it's going to feel like up to 99 degrees in some spots today. Winds right now calm, and they should remain calm for the rest of today. So by this afternoon, do expect isolated to scattered showers and storms under a mix of sun and clouds. There's that cold front. It's going to approach the area and bring showers to the north of us. It'll also bring some cloud cover as we get into tonight, looking at a mostly cloudy sky. Once that front passes, as we get into late tonight into tomorrow, we'll see cooler and drier air usher into the region. So cooler conditions, also breezy conditions Wednesday afternoon. We could see gusts as high as 20 miles per hour coming out of the north. Those wind conditions should die down as we get into the evening hours, and Thursday looking absolutely beautiful, starting off with a clear sky, plenty of sunshine all throughout the morning and throughout the day, even as we head into Friday, looking at quiet conditions and fall-like conditions. We still have flood warnings in effect for our area rivers until further notice, but with those dry conditions on the way, we should start to see those stages go down. So enjoy starting tomorrow through the weekend, even to the early part of next week. We're looking at daytime highs in the low to mid 80s, overnight lows in the low to mid 60s under plenty of sunshine. That's a look at your weather. Much more after the break. Stay with us.